You don't have to, but I like to start from the front of the guide here before I go into spooling. So what I do is I put in one of the holes, spin it around, that way we have a good wrap around. And I'll go back through the guide and out. Now that I got my tag in, this is my tag in, I'm gonna go ahead and just we'll make a knot here, just a simple overhand knot. Go ahead and cut the tag in as close as possible. We've got a knot there. Now we're gonna make an overhand knot and then come back through that same loop you made. There you go. Now what we're gonna do is just pull until it locks in place. Then it's just wriggling it in.